Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the structure of the earth. Lesson 3rd, part 2 of our video, the surface and interior of the earth. Okay, students, in this video we will discuss about the interiors of the earth. Students, in our previous video we had already discussed about earth's surface and the indirect observations like earthquakes and volcanoes, and about P wave and S wave, primary waves and the secondary waves. Now in this video we will discuss about that the earth's interior is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the third one is the core layer. We will discuss all these three layers in this video one by one. Okay, students? The earth's interior is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. First, we will discuss about the crust layer. Students, the solid thin layer covering the outside of the earth is known as crust layer. Okay, students, the thickness of the crust is different on the continents and on the oceans. It is thicker on the oceans but thin on the ocean floor. The average thickness of the crust layer is 60 to 100 km and it is made up of silica and aluminium known as soil. Okay, students, soil is made of lighter rock material. ये बहुत हल्के rock material से बनी होती है. Next is mantle. Beneath the crust is very thick layer of rocks called the mantle. It extends up to 2900 km in depth. But the entire mantle is not homogeneous. ये एक जैसी नहीं होती है. So that it is subdivided into two parts: upper mantle and the lower mantle. Okay, students? The upper mantle is up to 100 km in depth. Beyond this lies the lower mantle. And lower mantle is made up of silica and magnesium known as sema. The zone that separates the crust and mantle is called moho and asthenosphere. Okay, students? Now next layer is the core layer, the innermost part of the earth. जो अर्थ का हमारी अर्थ का इनर मोस्ट पार्ट है उसे हम कोर कहते हैं एंड इट्स थिकनेस इज अबाउट 3470 किलोमीटर and it is also further divided into inner core and the outer core because it is in depth. The core of the earth is rich in iron and nickel known as knife. Okay, students? As we know that the temperature inside the earth is very high, just because of this solid rocks converts into molten states. Okay, students, and this molten material is known as magma. Sometimes the hot material comes out through cracks or joints of Earth's surface and then it is known as lava. Okay, students, when the molten material comes out from the beneath a sea floor, it creates a new sea floor, and on the other hand, the lava deposited on the land surface makes some mountains and plateaus. Now, students, see the picture. This is the picture of lava that comes out through cracks or joints on Earth's surface. Okay, students, and the next picture is of magma, the molten state of solid rocks inside the earth. Okay, students, now we will take the next content of this chapter, the earth, a treasure of rock materials. A treasure mean to say खजाना. हम स्टूडेंट्स मिनरल को भी एक ट्रेजर की तरह लेते हैं. रॉक मटेरियल्स, मिनरल्स जो होते हैं वो रॉक मटेरियल्स से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, हमें ऑब्टेंड होते हैं रॉक मटेरियल से, और इसलिए हम इन्हें ट्रेजर्स कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, a rock is a naturally occurring solid substance made up of mixture of minerals. All rocks are not hard. They can be as hard as granite and as soft as a clay or chalk. They are found in different shapes, sizes and colors. there are variety of rocks found on the Earth's crust. Geologists have classified rocks into three large groups on the basis of their formation. Okay, students, and these are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Students, we will study these three rocks one by one. Okay. First, we will discuss about igneous rocks. Students, igneous means coming out of fire, यानी आग से पैदा हुआ या निकला हुआ. Thus, the igneous rocks are formed due to intensive heat and pressure, where molten materials called magma comes out and solidifies over the Earth's surface as lava. The cooling and solidification of magma can take place inside the earth, forming intrusive igneous rocks. For example, granite. If it cools over the earth's surface, it forms extrusive igneous rocks. For example, basalt. You can see in the diagram. The size of the mineral crystal present in a rock depends on the rate of cooling. In general, slow cooling inside the earth results in large sized crystals. Igneous rocks are also called primary rocks as they were formed first over the earth's surface. Students, अगर कूलिंग रेट जो है वो लावा की धीरे धीरे है, स्लो है, स्पीड स्लो है, तो ये लार्ज क्रिस्टल्स क्रिएट करता है, अदरवाइज ये स्मॉल क्रिस्टल्स क्रिएट करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट गो टू सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स. The igneous rocks are subjected to weathering and denudation over the years by the agents of gradation. The continuous action of these agents on rocks breaks them into small rock pieces that are carried by rivers. They are then deposited on the river beds or sea beds. These deposits are called sediments, which form layers one above the other. Due to the pressure of the above layers and the pressure of cementing particles, they are hardened to the form sedimentary rocks. Okay students, प्रेशर के कारण जब इनके ऊपर प्रेशर पड़ता है इन लूज पार्टिकल्स के ऊपर, तो ये स्ट्रेटिफाइड रॉक्स में चेंज हो जाती हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दीज स्ट्रेटिफाइड एंड सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स आर सैंडस्टोन, limestone, clay, shale, chalk. Okay students, now let's time to know about fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Sometimes the remains of animals and plants get buried and trapped under the layers, and over a period of time get converted into coal, oil and natural gas. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि जो डेड एनिमल्स होते हैं, प्लांट्स होते हैं, वो लेयर्स, अर्थ की जो लेयर्स हैं उनके नीचे दब जाते हैं, और काफ़ी सालों तक दबे रहने के बाद वो क्या हो जाते हैं, कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम गेट कन्वर्टेड. किस चीज़ में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं? आर फॉसिल फ्यूल्स जो हैं वो कन्वर्ट होते हैं कोल, ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, the fossil fuels have a great economic importance all over the world as they are a major source of energy. आपको पता है कॉल, ऑयल और नेचुरल गैस की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है हमारे लाइफ में. आप सोच कर देखिए, अगर पेट्रोल ना हो, डीजल ना हो तो क्या होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट रॉक इज मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. रॉक्स विच originally are igneous or sedimentary in nature get changed in character and appearance due to heat and pressure are called metamorphic rocks. Okay students, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स जो होती हैं वो इग्नियस और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स में प्रेशर और हीट के कारण चेंजेस आने के कारण, उनके अपीयरेंस में चेंज आने के कारण फॉर्म्ड होती हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? फॉर इंस्टेंस, ग्रेनाइट इज इग्नियस बट चेंजेस इनटू मेटामॉर्फिक. सेम एज लाइमस्टोन इज सेडिमेंट्री रॉक बट चेंजेस इनटू मार्बल एज metamorphic marble. Similarly, shale may be transferred by great pressure into slate. Okay students, now we will study about the rock cycle. First of all, you can see in the picture, here is magma. Magma is converted into intrusive igneous rocks, and when it comes out from the earth's surface, it converts into extrusive igneous rocks. Okay, and igneous rocks then converts into sedimentary rocks, and sedimentary rocks change their appearance into metamorphic rocks. Okay students, now we will study about the minerals. What are minerals? As stated earlier, a rock has single or a combination of several minerals in addition to mass of the earth materials. These materials are present in small or large quantities at any given site of the earth. The most common minerals occurring inside the earth are iron, silver, gold, mica, bauxite and lead. The common salt that we use in our food is also a mineral. Of all the minerals known to us, diamond is the hardest substance, whereas graphite, black and greasy in nature, is the softest. Minerals are identified on the basis of their color, hardness and luster. स्टूडेंट्स, जो आप पेंसिल यूज़ करते हो ना, उसका जो सिक्का होता है जिसे आप लिखते हो, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मिनरल एंड नॉन एज ग्रेफाइट. Okay students, so this is our chapter, the interior, surface and interior of the earth, lesson number 3. Students, in this chapter we will study about the surface, earth surface, the interior of the earth and the structure of the earth, crust, mantle layer and the core layer, and about the formation of rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, and about the life cycle and minerals. Okay students, take care. Till then, goodbye.